the one uniqueness is the members. We have members from large organizations, startups, to world leaders in every type of industry. And in each phase of maturity of the company. And we have, during these years, we started this in 2008. During these years, each time I come to a meeting in this network, people express what challenges they have openly and with a lot of trust. And then we listen to each other and we actually co-solve various types of matters that if there isn't a solution out there, like a method or something like this, we help develop it. And I think that trust and the members, that's really the uniqueness.